Again? Say it again.
One guy, one screwdriver. What's that? No fucking way. Let me record this on my phone. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, pay attention.
Oh. Ew. Why would you want to do that to your own dick? I mean, like, you... Can he pee still? I doubt it.
That's some Jigsaw music.
Yo, is this the same guy?
Yeah.
Why do you want to do this to his own self? Like, is he that lonely? Wow. Wow. He used all that stuff? That's freaky. That's he put the screw... How he get that... The tip of a screwdriver. Not the tip. The big ass point first. Up his penis.
No.
Up his penis. Not his butthole. Not there. Up the penis. The pee hole. Where you come and where you pee at. That part. You stuff the whole thing up there and now he's coming blood. That is serious. And that's all I gotta say.